One of my loyal subscribers reached out and asked me to make a tutorial on how to use CapCut only to create AI animated African folktale stories for free. So this video is for her and for anyone else who's been wanting to jump into this trend. First of all, here is a snippet of the video I created with this tutorial.
In the bustling streets of Lagos, where the air hums with energy and dreams, Amara's story unfolds like a vibrant tapestry. This young woman, with eyes that sparkle like the city lights, has been dancing through life's challenges with the grace of a seasoned performer. But even the most skilled dancers sometimes stumble, and Amara's journey is no exception. From the dusty schoolyards of their childhood to the crowded markets where they'd sneak treats, Amara and David have been two peas in a pod. David, with his gentle smile and thoughtful ways, has been the calm in Amara's storm, the steady hand when she falters. Everyone in their neighborhood whispered that they were meant to be, but Amara? She just couldn't see it.
Lately, AI-generated African folktales are going viral across YouTube. People love the rich storytelling, unique visuals, and cultural depth. But let's be honest, creating one can feel impossible if you don't have access to expensive tools like 11 Labs, ChatGPT Plus, or other premium video editors. That's why today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a full African folktale story using just CapCut's free AI tools. No complicated setups, just your story idea, your phone or laptop, and CapCut. So if you've ever dreamed of bringing ancient African tales to life with stunning visuals and powerful narration without spending a dime, this tutorial is for you. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your own folktale ideas in the comments. I might turn yours into the next video. Let's get started. The first step in our process is to write the story. And for that, I'll be using ChatGPT. I'll start by giving it the title of the African folktale I want to create, and then ask it to generate a synopsis based on that. This gives me a solid foundation to work from and helps structure the entire animation. When giving instructions to ChatGPT, I always specify that it should use English names throughout the story. That's because CapCut's AI voiceover system sometimes struggles with local African names, often mispronouncing them in a way that can break the flow or clarity of the narration. While it would be great to use authentic names, maintaining clear and understandable audio is crucial for viewer engagement, especially when you're working with automated voice tools. Once the synopsis is ready, we'll move on to shaping it into a script that fits perfectly with CapCut's AI video creation tools. Now click the link in the description to sign up for a free CapCut account. After registration, download and install the software on your computer. Once installed, launch the app. At the top of the interface, click on AI Video Maker. This opens a new workspace where you'll find two options: auto-generate a video with minimal input, or create a custom project. For this tutorial, we'll go with the custom project to give us full creative control. Inside the project window, CapCut will ask if you already have a script or want help generating one. We'll choose Create with AI. Enter the title of your story. I'll use She Married Her Best Friend as an example. Next, add the key points or a rough outline of your story. I copied the synopsis ChatGPT generated for me, so I'll paste it in here. You'll then choose your video length from 1 to 10 minutes. Since I am demonstrating, I will choose 3 minutes for optimal engagement. I recommend you choose 10 minutes for long videos. An optional but powerful feature is mimic writing style. You can upload a video or clip, and CapCut's AI will match its tone and narrative style. For this project, I'll aim for a realistic African-style vibe to enhance the story's emotional feel. If you have specific elements like plot twists, character traits, or moral lessons, enter them before clicking Create. The AI will then generate a script based on your input with impressive accuracy. Once your script is ready, review it carefully. Does it capture the tone you imagined? Are the pacing, characters, and message aligned with your vision? If it works, click Use to lock it in. If not, click Create again to generate a new version using the same inputs. You can also fine-tune the script, click any sentence to access the rewrite option, and adjust it to match your voice. This gives you full control while still letting AI handle the heavy lifting. Once you're happy with the script, it's time to add a voiceover. Go to the Scenes panel, then click on Voiceover. Skip the Avatar tab since we won't use animated characters in this project. Under Voices, select your language and pick a voice that fits the story. I chose Andrew for his warm tone. If needed, you can also create a custom voice. After selecting, click Apply to all scenes to maintain consistency across the narration. With the voiceover set, CapCut will render the audio. Now we move on to the next phase, adding visuals. This is where your African folktale starts to come alive through images, video clips, and cinematic effects that match your script. Click on the Media tab, and you'll find 3 ways to add visuals to your story. The most powerful option is Generate AI Media. Start by selecting your aspect ratio. For YouTube, choose 16:9, the standard widescreen format. Next, pick a visual style that fits your story. Since this is an African folktale, I'm choosing the realistic style to give the visuals a grounded, cinematic look that feels authentic and immersive. Then click Apply to all scenes. CapCut's AI will start generating visuals for each scene based on your script and voiceover. While that's loading, let's look at the other 2 options. Match Your Media lets you upload your own visuals like illustrations or video clips. CapCut will automatically sync them with your script and narration. This is great if you already have assets or want a unique visual identity. Match Stock Media unlocks CapCut's built-in library. After the AI-generated images are ready, you can swap or enhance scenes with stock footage or photos that better fit specific moments. Once the visuals are ready, click on any scene and hit Replace to preview. The editor may show a slightly pixelated version, but the final export will be high quality. This entire process keeps things simple and creative, letting you focus on storytelling while CapCut handles the visuals. Once your voiceover and visuals are in place, it's time to refine the overall feel of your video. Go to the Elements tab to adjust how CapCut's AI enhances your project. You'll see options to include or exclude features like keywords, stickers, sound effects, visual effects, transitions, and subtitles. For a clean, immersive story, I recommend turning off keywords and stickers. Keep only visual effects on, as they add life and emotion to static scenes. Set the intensity to medium for a balanced result, then click Apply to let CapCut enhance your video accordingly. Now, let's add music. Head to the Music tab and search using keywords that match your story's mood. I used Magical Story and selected a track. I'll choose this one called Magical Cinematic, which complements the emotional tone beautifully. Once added, you can adjust the volume by clicking the 3-dot menu and moving the slider. Lowering it slightly ensures the voiceover remains clear while the music supports the atmosphere. With your voiceover, visuals, elements, and music in place, it's time for final touches. Click Edit More to open your project in the CapCut desktop editor. Here, all AI-generated layers, voiceover, subtitles, visuals, and music are organized in a timeline for manual editing. Start by reviewing the video for any sound effects. Play through the video and remove any that feel out of place. Next, add transitions between scenes to create a smoother, more cinematic flow. Go to the Transition tab, browse the styles, and apply those that match your story's rhythm and tone. You'll also notice that some scenes already include subtle keyframe movements. These, combined with well-placed transitions, enhance the pacing and visual storytelling, making your African folktale feel more dynamic and immersive. This step is all about polish, small edits that bring your animated story to life. Now comes the exciting part, animating your still images. Go to Media, then AI Media, and you'll see 2 options, AI Image and AI Video. CapCut gives you a few free animation credits. After that, you'll need to purchase more. As you can see, I have exhausted mine, and if you're serious about storytelling, it's a worthwhile investment. To animate an image, right-click it, choose Open File Location, and drag the saved image into the AI Video tool. You'll be asked to describe the motion. For this scene, I typed cars moving on the busy road. I selected a static camera for a grounded feel and chose the seed dance model, which works well for character movement, while CapCut also offers the G4.0 model, powered by Runway. Seed dance is more intuitive for narrative-driven prompts. Set the animation duration to 5 seconds and the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube compatibility. Once rendered, you'll get a smooth and natural-looking clip that fits your narration. Repeat this for any scene you want to bring to life. Next, improve your captions. Click on a caption on the right panel, select Apply to All, then choose a template that fits your story. CapCut will automatically apply it to every caption. With your animations, transitions, audio, captions, and visuals ready, it's time to export. Click Export, select 1080p or 4K if you want higher quality, name your file, and save it to your computer. You now have a professional, monetizable AI animated African folktale created entirely in CapCut. No paid software, no complicated setup, just creativity and the right tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future content.